Welcome to our English learning guide on making a phone call. Today we'll cover key phrases and a sample conversation to help you make phone calls confidently in English. When making a phone call, it's important to start with a polite greeting. You can say,
Hello, this is Sally. May I speak with Jason?
Hi, I'm calling to inquire about making reservations.
if you're calling a business or service provider, you might hear,
Thank you for calling Easy English Cafe. How can I assist you?
you can respond with,
I'm calling to schedule an appointment. I have a question about my account.
if you didn't understand something, it's okay to ask for clarification. Could you repeat that, please? I'm sorry, could you explain that again? You can also confirm details by asking, so just to confirm, the appointment is at 3 p.m. on Friday. Did you say that the payment is due on the 15th? If the person you're trying to reach isn't available, you might need to leave a message.
Could you please tell Bill that I called? Can I leave a message for Sarah?
When leaving a message, be sure to include your name, the reason for your call, and your contact information.
Hi, this is Michael. I'm calling to confirm my appointment on Friday. Please call me back at 555-555-5555.
When you're ready to end the call, you can say,
Thank you for your help. Have a great day. I appreciate your time. Goodbye.
if the other person ends the call, they might say,
Thank you for calling. Goodbye. Take care and talk to you soon.
and that's how you can make a phone call in English. Practice these phrases, and you'll feel more confident the next time you pick up the phone. Happy calling. Don't forget to practice regularly and share your progress with us in the comments below.